Hey guys, it's Jeff. Another quick video for you. This one's going to be on a new product I just got in. Just going to be a quick unboxing, initial reviews. Obviously, I got some work to do. I'm going to be replacing out this Holosun here. Been a great little optic, but I like to keep my my guns kind of synonymous with the manufacturers. If you're not familiar with Meprolight, Meprolight does put out products. They are a sister company to IWI, so they are in relationship. I've done other videos on Meprolight. If you want to learn more about them, you can go check out those other videos. But this is a new product from Meprolight. It is the Meprolight MPO-F. This is an RMR optic. It's an open emitter optic that Meprolight announced at ShotShow earlier this year, and they're starting to roll out into the market. So I just wanted to bring it to you real quick. There's the specifications if you want to pause that real quick and read through them. I'm not going to cover all those in this video. This is just an initial unboxing, an initial impression. So take that off, throw that to the side. If you want to see the full review video of this, stay tuned. It'll be coming out in a couple of weeks. Obviously, silica pack. Nice little cleaning cloth, little microfiber, and then inside here you got your user manual, right? You need a user manual, RTFM. You've got, what else? You got a battery in here. What kind of battery is this? This is a 1632 battery. You've got their little tool, it looks like, down inside here. Okay, well, that's kind of interesting. Let's see if I can get that to focus here. There you go, maybe. So what is this? Oh, okay. So there's a flat blade on this side, and then a hex blade or hex tool on this side. So that's kind of cool. Probably for mounting it. And then let's see if I can get this guy out of here. So here is the optic. Nice little open emitter optic. Looks pretty good. It's got some interesting features on it. I'm looking forward to testing out once I get this guy all mounted up. It's got a side-loading battery tray. It does have a dovetail in the back, so you can do maybe some co-witnessing. We'll see once we get it on there. That's what it's going to initially look like. Looks like it's about the same dimensions as the Holosun. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for more on this one. I'll be bringing it to you as I get it out to the range, get it mounted up, get it tested out. So like I said, if you like this kind of content, you like what I'm doing here, you want to help support a small creator, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. Check me out on my other social media. Links are in the description below. And also check out those affiliate links. It really does help me put out this kind of content. If you want to support me, that's the best way to do it. So with that, guys, stay safe, stay active, stay vigilant, and stay in the fight, because the fight for your rights never ends. See you soon.